Pulkit. This video is for design of tall buildings using ETABS software. ETABS have powerful features available that allow structural engineer to efficiently model, analyze and design almost any type of building. ETABS is a ultimate integrated structure analyze and design package for tallest high-rise building. Today we will design for 10-story building in which bottom story is 3 meter and other stories is 4 meter. We will use M30 grade concrete, HYSD 415 longitudinal bar, mild 250 tie bar section 500 by 300 mm for beams and columns. M30 grade concrete of 150 mm thickness for slab. Wall auto draw cladding. Dead load 3 kN per meter square. On roof it is 1 kN per meter square. Live load on building is 6 kN per meter square. On roof it is 3 kN per meter square. Cladding load is 0.2 kN per meter. This is design information. So let's get started. Go to new model. Model initialization box will appear. Use built-in setting with display unit matrix SI. Steel section database is Indian. Steel design code is IS 800 2007. Concrete design code is IS 456 2000. Okay. New model quick template. Here we have to set grid dimensions and story dimension. In grid dimension, uniform grid spacing, number of grid line in X direction, say 5, in Y direction, say 7. Spacing between them, grid lines, in Y direction, 4. Number of stories will be 10. Typical story height is 4 meter and bottom story is 3 meter. You may select a number of predefined templates. Here are using grid only template. Here two windows will appear, one of plan view and one is 3D view. So first we have to define material. So go to define material properties, add new material. Here region is India, material type concrete, standard Indian, grade M30. Okay. Add new rebar. Here HYSD 415 longitudinal bar. So select HYSD grade 415. Click OK. Again OK. Add new material. Rebar. Mild grade 250 for tie bar. Click OK. So here we define all three material. One is M30, second HYSD 415 and third is mild 250. Click OK. Now go to define section property, frame section. Go to add new properties, concrete. Here property name column, material M30, section dimension, depth 500, width 300, go to modify, show, here select design type column, as we are designing for column section. Material, rebar material HYSD 415 for longitudinal bar, and confinement bar it is mild 250. Reinforcement to be checked. Okay. Okay. Go to add new property again. Concrete. Beam. Material type is M30. Section dimension is 500 by 300 mm. Modify show rebar. Design type for beam, as we are designing now for beam. Section longitudinal bar is HYSD 415 and confinement bar is mild 250. Click on OK. OK. Again OK. Now we have defined all the properties. Now we have to assign them. So go to draw. Click on draw beams column brace object. Quick draw column. Here select property, beam. Before that, go select one story to all story. Now again select all. Again go to draw. Now quick draw beam column, property, beams. Select all and press escape. Now slab. Go to define section property, slab section, add new property, property name slab of 150 mm thickness, 150. Slab material M30. Modeling type is shell thick, thickness 150. Click on OK. OK. Now go to draw. Select a draw floor wall object and quick draw floor or wall. Property, we have defined slab 150. Select all stories. Escape. Auto draw cladding. Go to draw option. Select auto draw cladding. Use beam and OK. You can see cladding is drawn. Now go to bottom, story, base, first from all story to select one story. Select it one by one. Press delete. Now select join, restrain, fix support, apply. Okay. Switch to any the story. Now all done. Now loads. For load, first select slab. Go to all story. Select slab. Now assign. Shall load. Uniform. Load is 3 kN. Apply. Okay. You can see that load on building, that is 3 kN per meter square, is assigned. Now on roof it is 1 kN per meter square. Go to roof. For that, go plan, view, story 10. Go to one story. Select one by one. Again go again assign. Shall load. Uniform. Now on roof it is 1 kN per meter square. So 1, and replace existing load. Apply. Okay. A dead load is assigned. Now live load. For live load, first select all story. Now go to assign. Shall load. Uniform. Dead load pattern is live load, which is 6 kN per meter square. Add to existing load. Apply. Okay. Now live load of 6 kN per meter square is assigned on the building. And on roof it is 3 kN per meter square. So again go to plan, view, story 10. Select one story. Select it one by one. You can see here you are on story 10. Now go to assign. Shall load. Uniform. The live load on roof is 3 kN per meter square. 3. Replace existing load. Okay. You can see live load on roof of 3 kN per meter square is assigned on roof. Now cladding load. For cladding load, select outer walls one by one. First, 1 story to all story. Select outer walls. Go to assign frame load, distributed, add to existing load, which is 0.2 kN per meter. 0.2. Apply. Okay. Now cladding load of 0.2 kN per meter is assigned to the building. Now we have assigned all the loads, wall, beam, column, slab. Now run analyze. Go to analyze and run analyze. Before that, if you have not saved the file, first save it by project 2. Save. You can see that here bottom analyze is going on. Now analyze has done by the software, and you can point your arrow on the where you want for values. Now go to design, concrete frame design, new revised preference, select IS 456 2000. Okay. Again design, concrete frame design, new revised override. Design, select design group, select all design group and add. Okay. Again go to design, concrete frame design, select design combination. There is no combination, select OK. Start design and check. You can click on any click on this theme. Here concrete beam design information will be displayed. You can see details of design, beam, required rebar, shear force and reinforcement bar, rebar, ten force, torsion force and torsion reinforcement, rebar, size. Here is beam information. You can also overwrite go to design, concrete slab design, view reference, select IS 456-2000, click OK. Again go to design, concrete slab design, select combination, again design, concrete slab design, select stories, select all the stories, click OK. Again go to design, slab design, start design. Now we will check or verify for all member paths dialog box in which our all concrete frame pass the design check. So, okay. You can see the force stress diagram. Go on frame pier spandrel, click on it, moment 3 apply, dead load, axial force diagram, click OK. Go to shell stress force, apply, OK. Here is shell force diagram will appear. In ETAP, it has the report of your model you have made, project report, and summary of that report. Click on report. Now ETAP has generated our project report. Where you will get all the information regarding building and loads, here we complete our design procedure. Thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.